So thank you so much for giving me such opportunity to introduce myself. As my name is Suniti Kumari, I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9. I have 5 members from family and I have 6 siblings, one me and two small brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. As well as I'm so much eager to learn English language. So that's why I'm practicing here in the Skype application. Even though I'm running to YouTube channel, that's all about me.
Oh, I think you have started your journey very early age, and it is right time for the students because when we dependent ourselves in this age, this is great for our parents.
Yeah, that's great. As I just think that why do you want to learn English language, and what do you think that I should learn English language, and what the things have you learned from the beginning times, and from when did you started to learn English language?
English language, not only I am learning, but also every Indian are learning now right now because I think as we know air is important for everyone. I think nowadays English is also important for everyone because without it, in no other sector, life is exist. We think, and everyone thinks that it is important for us. So I also, and it was my also dream because I came from Hindi background medium. It means a state board. I studied my qualification from a state board. In initial phase, my English was not good, but gradually, when I practiced a lot, now I think I'm not at all well, but now I'm trying, I'm learning, I'm practicing. I think in future maybe it will be.
Yeah, so
I,
yeah, so from when like when you have started to learn this language, so what the difficulties have you faced?
most difficulties was when I make the sentence, I stuck, and because of lack of practice, and I think sometimes also we face problem because of words, because we don't have much word to use at the same time doesn't come in our minds. And this type of difficulties happen with beginners, but after some time when we practice every day, every time, it will our habit.
Definitely, practice is most important for speaking English language. We can also say that if we'll practice more, then only we can speak English language better. Then, like when I've also started to speak English language, at the time I was facing a lots of problem in speaking English language. Like even though I was also not able to form the sentence, I was making the mistake in forming the sentences also. And now I just think that if I will make more practice, then only I can able to speak very well English language. So that's why for doing anything, for learning anything, the practice is very necessary for us. If we will practice more and more, then we can easily learn very better because practice makes and person experience. So that's why if we have more experience, then we can easily going to be perfect on that. And if we have no experience, if we have only the knowledge, like if the teacher has also told about how the people they speak English language, then we are not able to speak English language very well. There is needed experience. If we have more experience, if we have more practice in ourselves, that how the people they used to speak English language, then only we can definitely going to speak very well English language.
Now you have also much time. You will be very fluent in future because you are practicing in earlier days. I think most of the students start learning English after graduation, after 12th. They face, I think, mostly problems because they don't have fluency, they don't have lack of confidence, and when our age is much, so we feel also much. You can say shyness.
Yeah, at the first time, every people they used to fear. Like, I can also say that most of the people they are fearing to speak English language, and we should not fear because English is only it is a language. If we'll practice more and more, then we can easily learn. It is not like a subject. English is also a subject, and English is also a language. In the schools, the teacher used to teach us in English as a subject, but we are learning English language. We should learn English language as a language also because there is a lots of example, there is a lots of reason behind it that why the people they are learning English language, why the people they are speaking English language nowadays. We can say that like for connecting people, so are also connecting each others to the English language only. So that's why English is only the common language through which we can easily connect to the peoples also. So that's why for connecting people also, if we want to connect to the foreign peoples, if we want to go to other countries, then English is only the language. It will have to improve our communication also, skill also, and we're not going to face a lot of difficulties. And we can also say like for the higher job also, if we want to take a good job in our future life to become a good person. So that's why English is only the language through which we can easily going to become a good person in our future life. And nowadays English has become so much eager and curious too for everybody. That's why I just think that nowadays, if we will learn English language, then only we can survive in this era. Because English is only the language through which where we can find everywhere English language nowadays. We go also outside from our home, then we can find English is only the language through which all the things are written there in the boards or any people that are speaking English language. We can also say that the nowadays the students of the schools, colleges, all the people there are learning English language because in the India nowadays all the people they are so much curious and English is only the language with the people they are studying so much to learn
Hmm.
English language. We can also find that all the people they are learning English language very soon because they are learning, they are knowing the importance of the English language, that why the people they are learning so much English language. I just think that English is very very important for us and we should learn English language.
I met many person in my life. Most of the person think that when we have good grammar knowledge, when we have uh, much vocabulary, then I will start speaking. But I think that doesn't mean if we start, we learn grammar also, we learn also words. When we
Definitely,
wait
yeah,
for it,
definitely that.
when we wait for it, we never start, and we never be fluent. We never be good in this. When we think we should start,
Yeah,
mostly I
definitely. I have also heard so many people they are telling that grammar is very very important for us speaking English language. But I would suggest that the people they should not know much grammars because grammar will not help to increase our speaking skills. If we want to increase our speaking skill, then there is necessary practice only. Talking about the grammar, that people they should know the basic grammar. It is also not like that the people they are completely blanked over the grammar. We can say that the people they should know the basic grammar about the tenses, that where we have to use the appropriate sentences. They should know about the tense. Like this we can say the basic grammar is very important for us speaking English language, not the whole grammar. And the other part we can say vocabulary. After lots of practice we can easily speak very well English language with a good vocabulary, with a good pronunciation. So that's why practice is only the key for doing all those things like in grammar part, for vocabulary, for speaking English language. The speaking for the practicing is only the key through which we can easily get success in our life. That we have to do something in our life. So that's why for success also there is necessary practice. In education part also we can take an example that we are studying. So if we are making so much practice in our study also, then we can be perfect on that. It is not like that one time we have study then we are going to be grateful in our life. It is not like that. If we will if we will make practice on that, then only we can easily gonna do perfect on that.
no, I whatever I see, we have much knowledge in grammar sector. We have much knowledge in noun, pronoun, adjective, and other topics. But when we don't apply in a spoken language, we don't feel confident. We don't have confidence to talk with anyone. I have seen many teachers. They have a good knowledge in grammar sector, but they are not able to speak with anyone. They are not able to communicate with anyone because they never tried practiced. That is the problem, I think.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
And you started your fluency is day by day going
Yes,
very
sir.
well.
So I want to ask one question that how to practice English language and what are the tips follow at your home to practice English language?
Recently, I'm not practicing it because I have my own coaching. I give much time there, but when I have time, I search any a speaking partner for a conversation, and I start from today with you because I have been practicing when I was not teaching, when I was not started teaching. But nowadays I don't have much time. But from today I started it, and I will practice every day.
Definitely. As I want to also know from you that as you are a teacher also, what do you want to give suggestion to those people who want to learn English language? What are the basic things that are very necessary for us speaking English language for the beginners one?
For the beginners, first of all, basics knowledge of sentence framing, a basic knowledge of English grammar is needed in initial phase. And after some time, they should do practice. They should imply it with sentence. The rules of grammar, the concept of grammar should be implied with anyone, then that is worthful. Otherwise, I told you I have much knowledge in English grammar. I taught English competitive students. I know where we should find error in the sentence, and I also qualified Air Force exam. I designed in 2020. I know every errors of the parts of a speech in grammar, but I have, because of lack of practice, my fluency was not good. But I have talked almost 6 to 8 months regularly. That time my fluency was good, but I stopped after that, and now I'm facing some problem while making the sentence. I can do it, but when I will again practice almost 1 or 2 months, then fluency.
Definitely. Definitely. So I want to ask the last question to you from him. Like, what do you want to do in your spare time?
In my spare time, now I am making YouTube videos because I know which type of problems face the state students whom where medium is not English. If they belong to any medium except English medium, they face much problem because we know in India teachers taught only rules. They teach English as like theory, and we know if our subject will be interested, we don't feel boring. But in India, students feel boring while learning English because the teacher doesn't teach how to make it easily. They only remember word meaning, grammar rules.
Yes, yes.
These are the problems. And I think when we learn anything by concept, as like science, I also face problem when any teachers teach English with Hindi medium to English medium. It means by translating method.
Yeah, absolutely. The people they used to fear when the I'm studying the English medium school, so that's why I'm not getting like much problem. But I can say that the things that you are telling to us, it is also being applied in my school. Like the teacher, they used to teach English language as a subject. They used to teach us all the rules as a theory part. But I can say about the practicing, about the talking about this English language, they are not telling anything about this. They are just giving that how the grammar, all the things in the grammar part they are teaching, literature part, like this type of things they are only teaching us.
I think grammar should not be uh, remember it when we teach anyone by concept. It is very easy. I also learned many grammar concept and many grammar rules. Rules is doesn't exist in English because when I learn Hindi, we doesn't learn any types of rules. So we
Yes,
use
that's
Hindi,
it.
but when we learn English, we have to remember a lot of rules, a lot of things. That's why students feel boring in this subject.
Yes, you are absolutely right. As I think that the video is going to very long, so we wrap up the session now.
Thank you also you have been having conversation with you. I feel very great.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.